here's what you need to do in order to disable the TalkBack feature on the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you need to know is how to navigate on your phone with TalkBack enabled. Pretty much every gesture that you do on this phone, instead of using one finger, now you have to use two fingers, whether it is scrolling up on or down in a menu, or just going to the home screen, you need to use two fingers as well. Going to background apps too. So as you can see, this is what we need to do. And I'm gonna actually close the settings app over here. I'm gonna just swipe up like this with two fingers, of course, in order to start from the home screen. And if you use three buttons for navigation, or generally speaking, in order to use buttons and select something, you need to first tap on that thing and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. So if you want to go to background apps, you want to tap on the button once and then double tap in order to confirm. So in the home screen, we're gonna go to app drawer, use two fingers to swipe up, of course, and then scroll down with two fingers, tap on settings, and then double tap. Now over here we need to scroll down, go to accessibility, so tap once and then double tap once and TalkBack and double tap, and then we're gonna tap on this TalkBack switcher over here once and then double tap. Now tap on turn off and double tap, and that should be it. Now you can once again use just one finger, and you can use buttons just like before again. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.